Welcome back everyone to Pontos Fandom Hobbies. This is our paint through video for a Song of Ice and Fire tabletop miniature game, Unsullied Pikeman. We've also done the Unsullied Sword Masters, so we're going to add to our Unsullied Pikeman for our House Targaryen. We're going to review these miniatures. We'll go through them one by one, but the sculpts look amazing. Thinking of pitting these guys against the Martell Spearsmen and even against some of our halberdiers from the Lannister house. So looking forward to getting these on the tabletop and painted. We'll do a quick review of these miniatures. We'll look at them in detail, and then we'll get into painting. Thanks a lot for watching. 4 different sculpts and different positions. You got a couple of overhead and a couple of underhand kind of positions. Unsullied Pikeman, from the card it says, although considered to be light armor by Western standards, Unsullied Pikemen fight in lockstep formations according to doctrines laid down by the old Empire of Geese. An unsullied phalanx with shields locked is nigh unbreakable to cavalry charge, and even more nimble foot troops would have a difficult time getting past the wall of spears. While taking his unit by surprise is difficult, a commander should beware of their becoming encircled. So we've got some amazing sculpts here. We're going to get a base coat on these. We'll Zenithal prime them, and then we'll start painting in the details. So thank you guys for watching. Let's enjoy these miniatures while they're unpainted. I always find that it's a moment to kind of catalog here. So we'll jump into the Zenithal prime. We'll do our painting, then our details, and we'll get into the final images. So thanks for watching. As usual, getting these ready for Zenithal priming, I like to take a look at the box art and the miniature art. We've already done the, I'll review the Unsullied Sword Masters as well a little bit later when we get to the painting the base coat, but I'm going to go with the similar theme. So we'll get these out into the spray booth. Just a bit of a Zenithal prime and a flat black paint, but these look great primed. We'll get some base paints on them. I think I'll start with the flesh tones. We're going to use a blue color like we did before for the skirt. I'll show you the Unsullied Sword Masters. We'll kind of copy that design. But yeah, the sculpts look great. We've got the 2 underhand ones. We got the 2 overhand ones. Very, very cool looking. These will look great on the tabletop. If you guys like and subscribe, we'll get you guys on the game board when we play these in our first round. Here's the Unsullied Sword Masters, as I mentioned. I'll show you a couple of these because we'll be following the same painting scheme. Again, I'm basing it on the box art. You've got their armor that I'll do in a silver color. You've got their weapons and shields that'll be metallic, their helmets, and then that blue skirt and a lot of flesh tones there. But yeah, looking pretty cool. We'll start getting base coats on these flesh tone first, and then we'll see you later on in the video. Thanks for watching. Oh, we've got a good base coat on all of these. We'll get some flesh tone for some washes on these, and then we'll get into the hero shots. We'll do a quick word from our sponsor, and then we'll jump into the hero shots. Pontus Fathom Hobbies is brought to you by the books that we produce. You can pick up the 6 volumes of August Moldenhauer and Giuseppe Balsamo's Catu Journals out of Lovecraft's Providence. You can get them as individual issues or as the entire omnibus edition. Check out our podcast channel, Pontus Fathom Press, for our podcast series with the Esoteric Dragon Mysteries, Esoteric Saturn Mysteries, as well as Alchemy and Anthroposophy in the Dune Saga, where we deep dive into what makes Frank Herbert's classic saga resonate with us. We've also got sci-fi and horror like the Quantum Locksman Saga with Dead Sons 11, the Bogman Saga with Killing with Bogman, and the Tales of the Yellow Sign with Lost Carcosa and the Yellow Sign. You can sample all these books on our Patreon or on our podcast channel, including The Artificial Psychology of Desiring Machines, collected together also in a hardcover edition. Finally, we're excited to announce our Alchemical Courtship in the Dreamlands saga, each volume taking place in another one of Lovecraft's dreamland cities. Aimless takes place in the city of Cellophase, Hope's Home in Dalathleen, Stubborn Devotions in Thrawn, Beloved, Believed, Bedelled, and Lost Carcosa. Each volume is coming out throughout the year and into next year. And let's get back to our content. Thanks for watching. We've got the washes applied, we've got the bases repainted and cleaned up. We'll jump into some hero shots. Guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Let's review the hero shots and we'll take you out at the end. I'm really happy the way these turned out. As usual, guys, like and subscribe. Check out the bookstore link to support the channel. And go back and check out all of our other paint-throughs and gameplay. We will get the Unsullied Pikeman on the game board. If you ring the bell, you can get notified for our gameplay. And we will see you on the gameplay for A Song of Ice and Fire. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.